Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your Samsung J4 for an update to avoid data loss. Backup photos, contacts, and messages to Google Drive or a PC first. Charge the phone to at least 50% and keep it plugged in during the update. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to prevent interrupted downloads. Free at least 5 GB of internal storage so the update package can download and install cleanly. You can update your Samsung J4 using the built-in over-the-air method in Settings. Open Settings, choose Software Update, and tap Download and Install when an update appears. If OTA shows no update, use Samsung Smart Switch on a Windows PC to check and install official firmware. Advanced users can use Odin with official firmware files, but use caution. Flashing can void warranty and risk data loss if not done correctly. After the update completes, verify success by checking Settings and About Phone for the new Android version. Test essential functions like calls, Wi-Fi, camera, and fingerprint to confirm stability. If you encounter slow performance or app crashes, clear the system cache via recovery mode first. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset to resolve stubborn issues. Contact Samsung support or an authorized service center if hardware problems continue after these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.